Imagine losing $500 every single week through no fault of your own. Well, that's exactly what's been happening, but there's good news coming. See, back in 2021, the government was spending big, too big, and on the wrong stuff. And so the Reserve Bank increased interest rates, and it meant that the interest on a one-year home loan more than tripled, and what used to cost $200 a week suddenly cost over $700. Like, imagine that, families left with $500 less every single week through no fault of their own. You don't even have to imagine it, do you? Because we all experienced it. And not just home loans, it also led to rents racing up under Labor by more than $180 a week. Now, when you take a few $100s from every single family, every single week, that all adds up to millions of dollars each year not able to be spent on food, on electricity, on shoes for the kids, or clothes at local shops. And even if you had a few spare dollars, everything became so expensive. So is it really a surprise that families still find it tough when they've had years with hundreds less every single week? Is it really a surprise that businesses have been finding it tough when you've had years with such a small amount of money being spent over the counter? That's what we've been going through in New Zealand. And I know there's no quick fix, but let me tell you what's changing. National are focused on making life more affordable. That's why we're being really careful about spending, stopping those massive price increases and getting interest rates back down. And the plan's starting to work. When you see people on here talking about the OCR coming down again, what it really means is cheaper home loans, over $300 cheaper per fortnight than they were at the election. That's real money in the hands of real Kiwi families, and it's happening because our economic plan is working. So when you next refix your mortgage, or if you go to the bank to see if you can afford one now, you should see that our plan is delivering you more money at the end of the week.